Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix touchscreen not responding on your Motorola Razr 70 Plus. So first, what you guys want to do is to remove your screen protector. Now, for this specific phone, it goes both ways, and remove it only whenever your bezel, which is the dark part between the screen and the side of the phone, is basically covered in its entirety by a case. Of course, the case cannot touch the screen. This is a must. And if it's touching the screen, it can already make it become less responsive. That's why we want to make sure that we take the case off. And of course, we have the screen protector that we cannot do anything about, only if you already just took it out. So we want to make sure that if we have an original one, and I mean the screen protector, make sure to not remove it at all costs, because it can avoid your warranty. But if you already did and you basically don't have it, then that's good. If you do have one that's third party, then I would recommend just removing it and seeing if that makes any difference. Now, what are we gonna do is we're gonna clean our screen with a microfiber cloth. So to clean the screen, it's not that hard. All you guys do is just grab the phone. You can even bend it a little, and once you bend it, you can focus on the first side, which is right here. And of course, we can focus on the other side now. So now, once we clean our screen, everything should be ready. And as you guys can see, we can place it. It is shiny. And of course, now what are we going to do is we're going to restart our phone to refresh the system. So tap on the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Once you do that, you will see the power menu right here. Tap on restart at the bottom, and now the phone is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now, after the restart, what are we going to do is we're going to update our software to fix any issues with our touchscreen. So open up the settings, and here we can scroll down to system updates. Now click check for updates, make sure that you have Wi-Fi enabled, and everything looks good for me. But if it does not look good for you and you have an option to update, make sure to do that. Of course, if the software update did not help, then I would recommend going into system, and in the system, tap on the reset options. Here you simply go over and click on erase all data. So system, reset options, and erase all data at the bottom, which is the factory reset. Here we will basically delete all of the data. You can also get rid of eSIMs. And that's basically what you guys can do for your touchscreen. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.